Thanks for joining us in our hands-on video of the Galaxy A55, Samsung's latest mid-range smartphone. As you can see, the Galaxy A55 looks very similar to the last year's Galaxy A54. There is nothing on the left side, but you can see just how thick and solid its aluminum frame really is. At the bottom, you will find its USB Type-C port, together with its microphone and speaker ports. The only buttons you will find are on the right side. They are the power and volume control buttons. At the top is another microphone port and the SIM tray. Embedded into its 6.6-inch display is a 32-megapixel front camera with an f2.2 aperture. At the back, the Galaxy A55 has a triple camera system, which comprises of a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. The Galaxy A55 is IP67 dust and water resistant and is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front. So there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy A55 smartphone. We hope you found this video useful. For more details, please click on the link in the description for our article. And please support our work by subscribing to our channel and sponsoring us through the links below. Thank you.